Hey lovelies, how's it going? Hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about this hair company called Dyhair777.com. Now this is the hair that I have in my head right now. This is a full lace wig, 180% density, and this is a 20-inch Brazilian straight hair. Okay, so the hair came in this package. I love the packaging of the hair. It also came DHL shipping, and the shipping only took 2 days. I love this baggie because I have so many wigs that I've created or I've gotten, and I don't have anywhere to store them. So it came just like that. It also came in another bag form, and this is the entire unit. I love how they package their hair because it is not like tied up in anything. It's just in a bag, which is very, very good. Okay, so this is the unit on my head. And I'm just filling it out. This is how the unit looks in the back. Yeah, but this is how the hair looks on my head. As you guys can see, the length of it goes down to my belly button. This is what it looks like in the back. I feel like it's a good throw on type wig. I really like it. Like, I really do. I haven't secured it yet because I just like to have something to throw on and then throw it back off. Also, I love the fact that I can style this with having my little forehead. That is something that I really care about when I get my wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, so also in this video you guys will see the Wet n Wild new foundation. You guys, I hated the Wet n Wild foundation. I thought it was horrible. I did not like the consistency of it. It was so watery and it was so orange just by the application of it. I love the concealer. I will go back and buy the concealer again. Again, the concealer ran for $3. The foundation was like $5.99, and it was buy one get one 50% off. Also, the powder was okay. It was like a translucent powder, so I didn't understand the name for dark cocoa because it wasn't cocoa. It didn't have any color to it. But out of those 3 products, I would say please go for the concealer. The concealer is really good. I had dark cocoa, and the dark cocoa reminds me of the Maybelline Best concealer, and it reminds me of the NYX concealer and their HD concealers. Like, that's the consistency of it. And if you want to go high end, it's like a low end, almost NARS creamy concealer. Okay.
Seems like everything you're hearing about me, you're believing it, you're believing it. Yeah, what if I told you all the shit they were saying was it? You're so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it, are you out of motive? Don't tell you